Welcome to Woodridge, one of the hidden gems of Washington, D.C., where you get single-family home community with tree-lined streets, a truly suburban feel, yet within the district, close to both metro lines, Brooklyn, as well as Rhode Island. This 1935 Colonial has been expanded and fully remodeled. You're going to want to see the inside with over 2,500 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 3.5 bathrooms. The character and history of an older home blended with the refinement of a full expansion and remodel. You're going to want to see the inside of this home and check out the quiet oasis of your backyard.